back to 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 back with these videos, and we're back with another exclusive. Today we're rolling on the famous the birthday tray, completed by Bossed Up J. Give me a little light right there. You finna have fun. Birthday boy, happy birthday. Cut on that notification bell so you won't miss out on nothing. I was able to feel his spirit, his words. I've been down that road. You know what it feels to have somebody feel like they turned their back on you. You know the feeling of being alone, of not knowing. Should I keep going with this? I want to help the brother out through all of that. But yeah, long live milk. Last but not least, when you feel like you ain't got that remote, or you don't wanna, you know what I'm saying, just get the Googling and searching. You just wanna, boom, as you see.
If you want to know how I made this tray, just keep on watching. So here I have an 8.5 by 11 frame, and I got this from Dollar General. I'm going to be using Mod Podge for this part. Here I am just spraying the glass, making sure it's clean. Now I'm grabbing the bandana and I'm just placing it on top just to get an idea of where I want it to be. Now I'm going to be adding Mod Podge on top of the glass. Here I'm just flattening everything out, getting rid of all the bubbles and all the wrinkles. Once that's dry, I ended up cutting the excess of the bandana off the glass. I'm going to be using the Avery shipping label, and here I had already did the sizing and everything. If you want a more detailed video, please go watch my other video, SRT Bree, and it's the same concept. So I'm going to be grabbing my Gorilla Glue stick, and here I'm just layering everything together. Now I'm going to be grabbing the back of the plate because I don't like how that brown looks on the back. So I will be adding that onto the back of the plate. Okay, so I added the image, and now I'm going to be adding the rhinestones around that gold part, just to give it that bling. Okay, so here it is. The cardstock I got from Michaels as well. These rhinestones I got, I believe it's from Walmart or Michael's. So I'm just placing the rhinestones all around the plate. And this is how it should look like. And I'm going to be doing the same process for the Mo3 using the glue stick. So now that it's done, it's time to put UV resin. And here I have my UV lamp, and this is the lamp that the nail salons use. So here I apply the UV resin on top of the plate, and I'm just flattening everything out. Here I'm just popping the bubbles. I'm going to be doing the same thing to the Mo3. So like I said, if you want a more detailed video, I have a video up, SRT Bree video, and those are the nameplate earrings, and that's more detailed. So if you want to know more, then y'all go ahead and watch that video. So here I'm just putting this bad boy in the lamp. And usually I do it for 85 seconds, and I do it for like 2 to 3 rounds. So if it's tacky, that means it's not ready. Now I'm going to be doing the back of the nameplate. And doing the same process. So I'll be grabbing my Gorilla Glue, and I'm going to be adding that all around this part of the frame. Now you got to work quickly because Gorilla Glue does dry fast. So I'm going to be placing the glass on top of the frame, and I'm going to be adding Gorilla Glue onto the corners as well so the frame won't move. So here I got the chain, and I got the jump rings, and I got these from Michael's. On this part, I'm just playing with everything and sizing the chains on how I want it to look. Just mess around with it. And here I'm done. And this is how it came out. So grab the frame that you just glued. Make sure it's dry. And I'm going to be placing this into the frame. I'm grabbing another 8x11 frame, and I'm going to be placing on top of that, doing the same process, and that's it, y'all. I was going to add the lights inside, but I ended up not doing it. So this is how it turned out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, Bill and Jay, and my crafting channel, Bossed Up by Jay.